When it comes to losing weight, a healthy salad recipe can be always your right choice. Healthy weight loss isn't just about exercises and diet. It's about an ongoing lifestyle that includes long-term changes in daily eating and practicing healthy habits. Salads are a powerhouse of nutrients that will keep you healthy and energetic while helping you maintain your weight. Today, we will share a delicious salad recipe that is incredibly easy to make, yet very effective for rapid fat loss diet. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy weight loss tips. Healthy salad for weight loss. Losing weight rapidly. Take a medium-sized cucumber. Remove the upper and lower sides a bit, peel, and slice thinly. Slice a tomato thinly. Chop some parsley according to your taste. In a mixing bowl, put the cucumber, tomato, parsley, and add a slice of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Now mix all the ingredients together well. Your healthy weight loss salad is ready to enjoy. Try this recipe, you will love it. Subscribe for more easy weight loss tips.